Hello guys, today we're working on this Toyota Mark X. It's a GDM import vehicle, and the customer here wants an aftermarket radio. That's the project we're working on right now. I just want to show you guys real quick what's going on with this project. It's quite interesting. So our technician started working on it already, but still I can quickly show you what we're working with. So we have this vehicle that was dropped last week. It's an import vehicle, Japanese. So the customer wants a new radio. You can see here everything is in Chinese or Japanese, whatever language that is. But it's not even picking up the radio frequencies that we have over here. So something needs to be done for this vehicle. So first off, we look up, there's absolutely no dash kit available for this vehicle in our market. So the dash kit not being available, we figured out, okay, our only option here will be a custom installation. So we're gonna have to do the fabrication for our own dash kit here. So our option number one was, we thought we were going to remove this screen here and build the custom dash kit behind it in such a way that our aftermarket screen radio just basically get attached behind there, and that is it. So that was the first option, and it was actually going to be a fairly easy option, basically, per se. It would have been way easier than what we're doing right now anyway. So that was the option. We called the customer, we discussed it with him. He was like, okay, sure, you guys go ahead. Now, once we start testing all the features in the vehicle, we noticed that we have a problem. This screen, okay, on this panel, you can see a few controls here for the AC system, but that's not a complete control over the AC system. There are a few options on this AC system that you do not have any buttons available to operate. So you basically need to use the screen to operate those options. So once we noticed that, that was a problem. The city changer is sitting here. So after that option not being possible due to the AC system, we figured that we can remove the city changer and make a dash kit that's going to fit on this space here and use it instead of this one. Now he's going to have two screens in the vehicle, one just for his AC control, and then this one that's going to be the actual radio. We removed the city changer, and then after that we noticed something. We noticed something else basically. So once we removed the city changer, we noticed that the AC system was no longer working. And I was like, so what's going on here? Is it because we took this apart trying to make the kit, and then we noticed that we couldn't do it? We put it back together, and maybe we forgot to connect something in there. We took it apart again, checked all the connections inside, everything was good. We put it back together, and then we thought, okay, it might be because of this unit that we removed. So we connected back the city changer unit, and then boom, the AC back to work all of a sudden. That basically told us that the AC system is not only working with the screen, but it's also working with the city changer. So the two of them are actually working together with the AC system. So that it becomes quite interesting right there, because now we can remove this unit here, and we cannot remove this unit here. So where are we going to install our radio so this customer can use his vehicle in Canada? So we started thinking about it, and we figured out, okay, what if we take apart this radio, this city changer, and remove the AC portion of it from the whole unit, and then just install it in here, maybe tuck it somewhere behind the radio, our aftermarket radio here. And then so yeah, that thought come to our mind, and then we started thinking, okay, that might be an option for us here. So now that's why you can see the units now here, and I'm gonna go on the bench there to show you guys where we are with it. It's sitting right here on the bench. So this guy, not only it is a city changer, but it controls the AC system as well in this vehicle. So we took it apart. Right now it's just we kind of assembled it just for the purpose of this short video. So that's what it is. It's been dismantled already. And yeah, those are the connectors at the back. We noticed that these two connectors here are the one needed for the AC system to be fully operational on this vehicle. So these ones here are only working with the CD changer and the other options in there, but these are the two that are related to the AC system. So we disassemble the unit. Now it's apart, like you can see, and that's the board inside. The board is all in one, and then there's this extra connector going from the CD changer portion of it up to the circuit board. So we cover the bottom of the circuit board here because it would have been, all the circuitry would have been exposed here. That's why we put this sound shield there just to cover it for now. And it's still open, like you can see. So this unit on its own, if we put this back in the vehicle, we get back our AC system working. And that's what we're planning on doing. So what we're going to do now is just protect it basically, and then go back in the vehicle to install it. Connect those two connectors here so we can get our AC system working. And then we're going to protect the unit and tuck it somewhere behind there. And then our aftermarket radio is going to be on front of it. That's the plan basically with this vehicle here. The technician is going to wrap this up, put it back in the vehicle, and we'll go from there. We are still building the dash kit here. We did our first template. We ran our first template of the face of this dash kit on a CNC here. I don't know if we still have. We did it with the wood at first. We just want to try it to see, make sure everything fits. The machine is no longer connected. I cannot even show you guys the project. Let's see if I can get this back to work so you guys can see what it is. Okay. So I'm gonna connect back this machine so I can pull up the project for you guys to see. The file is in here. Oops. The file is in here. It's faceplate mark X. There we go. Okay, if you go here, that's the faceplate of this dash kit that we quickly designed, and the opening here is designed to fit the radio that we're putting inside. This is going to be an ALPINE unit. So that is it. So that's the little project for the dash kit, for the face. After that, we'll keep building off of this. Okay, so this panel has been printed out, has been cut, and it works fine. So now we just need to replicate it on the piece of plastic that we're gonna use for the project. Okay, so that's how far we are right now, guys, with this project. We'll keep you guys posted as we move forward. Hello guys, unfortunately after the previous video we got very slammed at the shop here, and I was not able to keep recording for you guys. So what I did is I took a few pictures along the way so you guys can at least see what the end result was looking like. I'm very sorry about that, and I have to apologize, guys. And if you guys like our content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.